Searching for a fast and efficient way to share your team's highlights? With Pixellot systems and their analytics and game breakdown platform VidSwap, it's never been easier. After your team's game is logged, simply sign into your VidSwap account and go to the Videos folder on the dashboard. Now let's find our most recent game and select Watch. Now we can filter for our best plays here on the left side of our editing suite. Let's select 2-point shots made by our team. And voila! Here's all of them. We'll select the best of the best and click on the Create Highlight button. Let's create new, name it, and click Save. Now we can go back to our dashboard, and after our video gets encoded, it'll appear in the Highlights folder, and now we can watch it. And there it is! You can watch it or reorder the shots any way you like. But if you like it as is, select Download All, and we could download our highlight to our computer. Now we can post that video as a fast and quick way to share every moment with family and friends.
Need to be addressed. Here's a steal. Lynch to the basket, and he scores. 4 times. We've seen Sam Walters, who's currently on the bench, take up the assignment, the difficult assignments defensively all year long. We'll see if he does so. Rise, and here comes Lynch.
Or if you're more advanced, we can take our basic highlight from awesome to amazing in any editing program of choice.
They had a lot of miscues that need to be addressed. Here's a steal. Lynch to the basket, and he scores.
Either way, we get to share our team's best moments easily with the world.